even though there are recommendations for both North Macedonia and Albania, there are differences in the wording in the conclusion. So there seem to be some additional remarks or conditions, if I can call them, when it comes to Albania, whereas for North Macedonia, the recommendation seems quite crystal clear. So do you think this could impact the decision making process in the General Affairs Council in June? Could the member states then separate both countries? If it's delayed, the decision, especially for North Macedonia, do you foresee any risk for the political stability in the country? Thank you.
The wording is different because the countries is different. The countries are different, the situations are different, but the recommendation is clearly to open accession negotiations with both Albania and North Macedonia, as it was last year.
Again, in order to avoid any misunderstanding, because you were saying about remarks and conditions, there are some additional remarks, but no further conditions. And the recommendation is crystal clear to start negotiations.